Michael Jackson videos like this? Yeah, I remember the last time I watched it. It smells out, man. Where's Cole? He should be out here by now watching this. And it's about to begin here soon, because here comes the commercial. Oh, well, I know where he is. He's already getting ready for what he's doing. So he'll be out here soon. Still got it. Daddy, how'd you want to do that anyways? Well, it all started when I first did not know who Michael Jackson was, but my aunt had the CD and I listened to one of the songs for the first time called Thriller. It became one of my favorites of all time. I never forgot about it. I bet you can't even do the Billie Jean dance. What? What makes you say that? Why don't you prove it to me right now? Not now. In fact, if you think I can't do the Billie Jean dance, I'll show you what I can do right now. What'd you think of that, Junior? I can't really say that. You still got it. I've been Michael Jackson right now. Oh, you too. Come here. Alright. Having a good Michael Jackson Friday, Finn? Smells up, man. Yeah, I am. Good. That's Michael Jackson Friday, Finn. You're too cool. Sonic, wake up. I'm tired here. I don't care. It's Friday. Let's win. So now. And listen, you need to stop sleeping. It's Michael Jackson Friday. I need you to stay up for this, alright? Okay. I will, just for today. Good. Have Michael Jackson Friday, Sonic. You too. Thanks. So what you think of my dance move? That's not bad, Cole. You still got it, like you always said. What kind of bad move you ever had? Good. I still got it, don't I? Anyways, go to sleep. Enjoy the movie. Have a good time. Sweeto. Listen. Hey. Have a good time? No. Whoa, Daddy! How'd you learn how to do that? Well, that's a good question, son. Something I know. Killing me. Happy Michael Jackson Friday, everyone. I love this holiday. Invented it myself. All the way since 2009.
make it right.